Hey amazing designers, welcome back to PPPDesigner, your one-step destination for design tips, tools and resources. Today I am sharing 5 incredible websites to super change your project with stunning illustration. Whether you are working on a UI designs, presentation or storytelling visuals, these platforms are a gold mine ready to discover something unique, particular and relatable. Let's jump in. Imagine being able to generate stunning gradients, shapes, and abstract designs without spending hours in design software. That's what Hikey offers. Hikey is a web app that lets you create beautiful SVG visuals in a minute, from organic blobs to wavy backgrounds. It was customizable options that let you tweak shapes, colors, and gradient effortlessly. Here how I can use it. If I need a quick dynamic background for a landscape page or an app prototype, I head straight to Hikey, exporting it in super smooth, and you can integrate it into tools like Figma and Adobe Illustrator with easily and smoothly. Remember the time you need a unique background but struggling to find one? Hikey elements that problem by giving you the endless possibility to make your project stand out. Sometimes a touch of whimsy is all you need to make your design feel approachable. That's what the Doodle Library comes in. The platform offers hand-drawn doodles that are quickly funny and completely free to use. You can download and integrate them into your presentations, websites, or even social media graphics. I recently used the Doodle library for a presentation deck, and it's transformed the content into something funny and engaging. These doodles are great for breaking mountain in corporate design. You can say it. We have all struggled with adding that human touch to design. With the Doodle library, you don't need to be illustrator to make your work shine. Ever felt like most illustrations just don't match your brand vibe? Coco Material offers something different. Illustration that feel personal and adaptable. The collection is clean, modern, and perfect for professional use. Plus, you can customize the color to fit your brand, making it feel versatile for both corporate and casual projects. Use Coco Material when designing social media post or product page. For instance, I have used these assets in SaaS websites, and they instantly make the layout visually appealing and relatable. How often do you find illustrations that are good but feel you out of place? With Coco Material, you can make small tweaks to enhance this blend seamlessly with your overall design. Use personas are essential for great design, but creating them that can be overwhelming. Until you can use personas by Draftbit. These two helps you craft detailed realistic personas quickly. It's perfect for UX designers who want to keep their audience fonts and center during the design process. Here how I use it. Input data from my targeted audience, and in seconds I have a person ready to guide my decision. What's its age, occupation or professions? Everything is customizable. Think about the last project where you were skipped personas because they were too time consuming. With Draftbit personas, you will never have to cut corners again. Who doesn't love illustrations with characters? Literally, OpenPips lets you build fully customizable character that brings life to your project. From hairstyle to clothing, everything is modular. You can mix and match to create characters that fully unique and tailored to your project. Here the tip. Use OpenPips for onboarding screen, team profile, or even social media post. I have used it in creating avatars for a community app, and the response was fantastic. We have all struggled to find illustrations that represent diverse audience. OpenPep solves that problem with its incredible flexible inclusivity. I hope you love it. Do let me know. And that's a wrap on today's video. These 5 platforms are game changing for designer looking to save time with creating professional, unique and relatable illustration. Which one is you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and please do subscribe Triple P Designers and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Stay creative and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.